Hi Dazerine, this is Shannon at Tameron Hyundai in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. You inquired about the Genesis. Well, this is the all-new G80. Listen, I want to tell you a little bit about it. The most important thing about this car is the America's Best warranty. You have a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron, the dealership, adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. This vehicle comes with its own personal service contract. You get 3 years of oil changes as well as a tire rotation that comes with. My name's Shannon Coward. I'm your personal sales associate assigned just to you. The number here at the dealership, 205-380-6250, or you may reach me on my cell at 205-907-4700. Here at Tameron, you're going to love the way you're treated. I look forward to meeting with you and working with you very soon regarding the Genesis. Thank you.